Navigate to the Quotes section in the side menu and select Quote Wizard to create a new quote. Enter the customer name in the search field. The system searches for existing records or uses Google Maps to find the address if no record exists. Enter the contact name and select the contact role, such as admin or owner. Enter a name for the quote, such as a service description or project name. Click Next to create the quote. If the customer and site do not exist, the system creates them, links them together, and generates the quote and quote version. Select the contact you want to send the quote to. The system generates the quote summary. Add line items to your quote or select a quote template to pre-populate the quote. Enter the quote details, such as 15 hours of labor at a rate of $150. Configure your default prices in the product catalog. Add a cover letter to describe the quote. Use the AI generator to create a summary that appears before the quote details. In the Documents section, include additional files such as a company profile. Click Save and Preview to generate the quote. Review the summary and email the quote directly from the system.